The first time I saw the BILT app, I thought, why hadn't this been developed 30 years ago? This is so obvious. I can't tell you how many frustrating experiences we've had personally, my wife and I, with putting together swing sets and grills and you name it. The most recent one on my mind was a really cool electric piano that it's a brilliant product, but putting it together was horrible because the instructions were written by an engineer and English was obviously not his or her first language. It was horrible. And the BILT solution just made it delightful. I think, you step back, written instructions on paper, they're going to be gone within 10 years. It's a ridiculous anachronism. BILT or something, if somebody's good enough to come up with something better, but we're going to use our smartphones and our pads to be putting together everything. And not just put it together, how to use it effectively and share best practices from other customers. So that's what I thought. The world is obviously going to change in this direction.